Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can turn an image to a video using Google Gemini and Google Flow. So first, you're going to enter this prompt. I will put it in the description box down below. Basically, you can change this into any kind of animal or any logo that you'd like. Let it generate and then go to Google Flow. Then you're going to go to frames to video, insert your picture here, and insert this prompt. I will put it again in the description box down below, and this is what your video should look like. The logo will look like it's moving. But that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.